Yes, dear students, at the last class completely we have discussed x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p normal form. Now we will see now today class in what is in different position. That means in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Now we will study about complete discussion about this one better. Yes, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha in different positions means, that means first of all we will study second quadrant, that means first quadrant. This is students x axis, okay, this is y axis, x axis, y axis. This is the line, first quadrant. This is the line, red color line equation. This is the highway equation, which is highway. This is the highway. Distance from origin to this line is p. This is distance p. Now this is the alpha, normal line alpha. Not this angle student. Majority student they are like that. They are taking this alpha. So that is a wrong. Okay. So this x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p students. Crystal clear? This is in first position, first quadrant position. Now I am going to turn in alpha 90 degrees students. Then what is the position of that line? Alpha, that means alpha can turn in, that means sir, either alpha turn in 90 degrees. The above figure becomes like this students. This is red color. My notation red color is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. This is the line, okay. This line becomes turn into 90 degrees. This is the normal. This is the normal. That means normal line makes an angle alpha 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Then what is the red color equation students? Red color equation. Now horizontal line. You know that everybody knows in schooling geometry. Okay. Right. This is students x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay. Now replace alpha is equal to 90 students. Cos 90 degree plus y sin 90 degree is equal to p. Cos 90 0, sin 90 1. So answer is students y into 1 is equal to p. Therefore answer y is equal to p. This line is parallel to x axis. This line. Okay. Next the position. Suppose that line is turned into 180 degree. 180 degree like this students, x axis, y axis. Alpha can rotate 0 to 360 degree. Alpha domain. Alpha can rotate 0 to 360 degree anywhere. So now this is the red color line. My red color in the sense x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. This is the red color equation students, x cos alpha. Now this is the normal. This length is p as per the data p. P may be a numerical value, okay, positive. That means that means angle with x axis 180 degree. Alpha is equal to 180 degree with x axis. Students, with the x axis 180 degree. Now x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Alpha is nothing but what students? Yes, alpha is nothing but 180. Alpha is equal to 180 degree students. So x cos 180 students degree, y sin 180 degree is equal to p. Cos 180 value minus 1, sin 180 value 0. Cos 180 degree value minus 1, sin 180 degree value 0. Okay students, this is x into minus 1 is equal to p. Therefore final answer x is equal to p. Crystal clear students? So alpha 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Next we will see the 270 degree. Okay. Yeah, this side over students. Shall I rub? The fourth case. Now I am going to write here. Okay now students, now I am going to erase this one. Right. The position in fourth quadrant, that means in the sense turn 270 degree students, x y, x, y. Okay, now students, this is the red color equation. This red color equation start with 90, 180, 270. So, this is the P students. Alpha is equal to 270 degree. That means in radian language, 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. 3 times of pi by 2 becomes 270 degrees. It's a radian language. This is the degree language. Okay, now students? Yes. Alpha. So, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Yes, dear students, in the place of alpha, I am going to write 270 degree. Yes, x 270 degree, cos 270 degree, y sin 270 degree is equal to P. Cos 270 value 0, sin 270 value -1. So, cos 270 0 into anything 0, sin 270 value -1, y -1 is equal to P. So, y is equal to minus P. My dear students, y is equal to minus k. Below the x-axis, it is parallel to x-axis. Okay, now students? This line, y is equal to minus P line. Same again position, 0 degree or 360 degree. This is the different formats in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrants about the normal form. Okay, now students? Right, now I am giving one problem based on normal form. Okay. Yeah. Once check it. Any doubt, students? Any doubt? I think it is clear to you, all of you. Yeah. Now we will do one problem based on normal. Shall I rub, students? Yes. Find the equation of the line. One question based on normal form, students. Right. Find the equation of the line. Question better. Question. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line on which perpendicular from the origin makes an angle of 30 degree with x-axis. 30 degree with x-axis, and which form a triangle of area, which form a triangle of area 50 by root 3 square units. I am giving area, students. Units with axis. Axis means coordinate axis. With axis means coordinate axis. This is the problem, students. First read the question for better understanding. Okay, now dear students, first of all, what given, what we have to prove that. First read the question. Now first I am going to collect the given data. Find the equation of the line on which perpendicular from the origin which makes an angle 30 degree. 30 degree means, as per the data, alpha equal to 30. Then area is equal to, we are having these two information, students. Yes, I am going to give the diagram, students. This is the x, this is the y. This is a normal line. This is now we have to calculate the red color equation. This we have to find, our aim is, our motto, our destiny. We have to calculate the red line equation. But yes, normal form. This is the distance. I don't know distance P. There is no information about P. But alpha is there, 30 degree, alpha 30 degree. Okay, students? Now P is there. This is the point A, this is the B, this is the O. But area of the triangle AOB is 50 by root 3. So we are having only two things. One is the normal line angle and area. By using these two relations, you can find that x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. Alpha is already existing, students. Then we are looking for only P. We are looking only P. So you have to find, everybody knows, P. How to that? What is the procedure, sir? Yes. So simple. This is, students, alpha value 30 degree. Okay. Now this, students, first my target is first OPM. This is the M, students. Now two right angle triangles, two triangles are there, students. Here 30 degree, either 60 degree. Clear? Now my target is OA. Next OB. Why you are focusing on OA and OB, sir? Half into base into height. Half into base into height equivalent to 50 by root 3. Yes. Now first one, triangle OMA. OMA. Yes. Cos 30 degree, students. Cos 30 degree adjacent side by adjacent side means P. Where 90 ka opposite always hypotenuse. So hypotenuse OA. What is cos 90, students? OA is equal to, sir, cos 30, P by cos 30. My target OA, na? P by OA, cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So 2 by root 3. I am writing direct step, students. Next one. Now I am going to take that same triangle OMB. 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 Now here 60 degrees, 90, same right angle triangle. So students, cos 60 degree na, cos 60 degree na, cos 60 degree, adjacent side P by hypotenuse OB. Okay na? OB. Cos 60 1 by 2 is equal to P by OB. So my requirement OB is equal to 2 times of P. OB is nothing but this one. OA is nothing but this one. Yes, students, look here. So now area of the triangle AOB given. Area of triangle is equal to AOB. Okay. Area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base. Base kitna? OA. Next, height to OB. Equivalent to, as per the data, 50 by root 3, students. 50 by root 3. Yes. This is equivalent to, OA is nothing but 2P. 2P by root 3. OB is nothing but 2P is equal to, students, 50 by root 3. Yeah, both side. Root 3 get cancelled. Either 2 get cancelled. 2P square is equal to 50. Now after cancellation, P square is equal to 25. P is equal to plus or minus 5. Be careful. Plus or minus important. You are studying JEE. Okay. So be careful. Each and every corner important, students. P is equal to plus or. But P always positive. Am I correct? Distance. P is always distance. So you have to take that P value positive. Now the final answer. Final answer, students. X cos alpha, y sin alpha is equal to P. What is P? P is 5. Now alpha means 30 degrees. X cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree. P value 5. This is the final answer. Yeah, come on. Cos 30 degree. You know that. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Root 3x plus y is equal to 10. This is the final answer. Okay, na, students? Right. Once you see the what is going on mechanism, sir, what is the mechanism, sir, here? Simple mechanism. What given? Area given. Focus on area half into base into height. Then alpha is there. By using this phenomena, then you have to find that value of P. P positive, because it's a distance from origin to this line. Distance always positive. I am selecting that. This is the final answer. This is red color equation. Okay, students? Right. Yeah. Shall I rub, students? Yeah. The most important next coming topic is the one of the best application in higher level, that means JEE mains and advanced. Last topic, that means form. Already we have discussed different formats of these straight lines. Now this is the coming type of the line, parametric equation of the line. Is the most powerful topic in entire geometry. Equation of the straight line in parametric form. What is the equation of the line in parametric form? So this is the most very important remaining for all, compare all the lines, most powerful weapon in entire geometry. Okay, right heading, equation of the straight line in parametric form. Shall I rub better? Equation of the straight line, equation of the straight line, right. Right, the most important, super important JEE plus advance, okay. Straight line in parametric form, equation of the straight line in parametric form, okay na students? Equation of the straight line in what is the use of this line, sir? So many uses are there. Now we will discuss each and every point of this line. Okay, students? Right. First one. Now the first form, x is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta, where r is parameter, where r is equal to parameter. Okay, where r is equal to parameter. Parameter in the sense one type of variable, it takes the number of values, one type of variable. Okay na student? Yeah, in physics also theta is parameter. Okay, like that, parameter in the sense one type of variable. Okay, right. Yes, first draw the figure, students. This is coordinate axis, students, x axis, y axis. Yes, I am going to draw the one line. Students. Better to draw the big figure, students, not a small figure. Okay. Yes. Yeah. This is the line, students, x, y. This is my highway, national highway. This is one red color line. Okay na students? Red color line. This is theta, magnetar with x axis in anti-clockwise direction, inclination theta. Okay, right. This is my position, students. My position A, x1 comma y1. My position. Now I am going to calculate which are at a distance from the point x1 comma y1. That means we have to calculate neighbors. For neighboring point, how to calculate this neighboring point? Which are at a distance r units. Now how to calculate P point x comma y. come backward point Q. How to calculate Q point? This is the point. How to locate those 2 points from x1 comma y1? That means distance, in between distance is r units there. If we are going in forward direction, r positive, backward direction, r negative. That's the reason. If we are taking plus sign, we are getting this point. If you are taking negative sign, we are getting this point. Okay, firstly we will find that P point. Okay, so figure is not good. Okay, now students, right. Now I am going to create some right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. This is, students, like this, like this, like this. Yes, yes, this is, students, bottom of the point. What bottom means? Our local language, foot means shoe, chappal, slippers. Foot of the perpendicular, foot means bottom. This is the bottom point x1 comma 0. This bottom point is x comma 0. The distance from origin to, now I want to calculate this. Total length x, students, this length x1, biggest length minus smallest, we get this length. So this length equivalent to this. So this is the x minus x1. Okay now students, this length, only this length x minus x1. Next, so similar manner this length is also y minus y1. Y minus y1, students. Yeah, r. Yeah, similar triangle, this one, OA, like this one. This one similarity, not congruent, similarity. Your schooling photo and now intermediate photo. They are similarity, but not congruent. They all are size wise different. Am I students? Am I correct, students? Yes, theta. So these are all the similar triangles. Here theta, same. Okay. Now for this right angle triangle, APM, students, APM, I am going to apply sin theta and cos theta. Only my position x1 comma y1, students. Now I am going to find the points on either side, this side and this side. What is the use of the parametric in entire mathematics? In entire mathematics, parametric means whenever we need a point on the line, we will use this parametric. Even circle, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse, all are having parametric. What is the use of the parametric in a daily life, in the approaching, problematic solving approaching? Whenever we need a point on the curve, then we will use parametric system. That is, it's a good point I am saying now. Okay, students, big learning point. Right. Triangle, APM, students, check it once. Cos theta, students, cos theta, come on. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side, x minus x1 by hypotenuse means r, distance between my house and my friend house, distance r. Here I want to calculate this one. Okay, first of all you have to focus on forward point. Now cross multiply, students. X minus x1 is equal to r cos theta. Clear? Most important. Okay. Next. Now students, x is equal to what? x1 I am sending that side, minus x1 transfer that side, x1 plus r cos theta. For getting my neighboring house, x coordinate is x1 plus r cos theta. x1 is the original position, you have to adding r times of cos theta, we get x coordinate. x1 subtracting minus r times of cos theta, we get this point. For finding the neighboring points on a line, okay, r will be changed, we get this neighbor, r will be changed, so many points are there, so different values of r, we get the different points. That's why I am calling r is the parameter. Once again I will tell you, my dear students, different values of r, we get the different points on the line. So r can take the different values, sir. So that is the reason behind that. It is a parametric. R can take different value. R is the parameter. Theta is not the parameter. Theta is fixed, not changing. Okay, students, this same phenomena. Right. Sin theta bolo. Sin theta, jaldi bolo beta. Come on, sin theta. Come on, tell me. Sin theta is equal to opposite wala by hypotenuse. Y minus y1 by r. So y minus y1 cross multiply r sin theta is equal to, students, y coordinate always sin, x coordinate always cos. Y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. I am getting this point px comma y. Okay, this is the parametric form. Okay, now again, now squaring and adding, we get the same answer, r square. This is a squaring and adding, students. Squaring x minus x1, distance between 2 point formula, x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square is equal to, transfer this side, r square cos square theta, r square sin square theta. Okay na, students? Take out common, x minus x1. Distance between my house and my neighbor house is r. Take out r common, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So r is equal to, distance, students, r is equal to PA. R is equal to PA. PA distance under root of x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. This is the parametric form. Now I am giving extra information about this line in point wise, students. First write, okay, write this one. So different values of r, we get the different points on the line. This is called a parametric system. Okay, most very important application in coming geometry, even second year also, students. Right. Yeah. Now I am going to remember all the points what I am writing. Remember. Shall I rub, students? Okay, right. Now write the point wise, students. The most very important, all these points what I am writing now. Yes, students, write number 1. Remember please, all of you. Remember please. Remember please, students, most important, just analyze the concept, students. Right. Number 1 point, x1 comma y1 are the coordinates of the given point. Ax1 comma y1 are the coordinates of a given point. Coordinate of a given point, that is the given point data, problem containing this information, a point. Okay, next one, theta is the inclination of the line. Second point, theta is the inclination. Theta is the inclination of a line. Theta is the inclination of a line through x1 comma y1. Through x1 comma y1 with the positive direction of x-axis. With positive direction of x-axis. Okay na, students? Right. That is the second point, theta inclination. R is the distance of any point on the line. Third point, students. R is the distance of distance of any point on the line any point on the line from the given point x1 comma y1 from the given point x1 comma y1. Yeah, next most important, very very important, different values of r we get different values of r, we get different points on the line. Okay, important point, students. Different values of r is the parameter, different values of r. Next one, next point 3. Suppose r is positive, students, r is positive. If p is above a, p is above a, r positive, p is above a, and negative, and r is negative, if p is below a, yes, sorry students, power cut. Sirisha, huh? Yes, 1 2 3, this is the start. 4. This is the last point, my dear students. Coordinate of a general point, coordinate of a general point, on the line is x1 plus or minus r cos theta, comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. This is a depth discussion about the parametric equations, dear students. Now we will solve some best problems by using this concept. Okay, thank you.